Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark from CapCut template. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first thing first, I'm going to go to the template section, and here I'm just going to pick a random template, guys. I'm gonna go with this one. Then I'm going to use this template. Then I'm just going to pick a random picture. Okay, once we're done, we can click on next. And here, as you can see, if we want to export this template or this video from this template, there is a watermark, and I'm going to show you how we can remove it. We can just click on this export, and you can choose export without watermark. Okay, now the video is being exported, and it's almost done. Okay, and now it's done, guys, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Okay, this is the video I have just exported, and as you can see that the CapCut watermark has been removed. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove CapCut watermark from the template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.